Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make a simple frittata. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 6 large eggs, 1/4 cup of milk, and your favorite seasonings like salt and pepper. For fillings, consider fresh vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, or onions. If you like, add a protein like cooked ham or crumbled sausage for extra heartiness. This simple base sets the stage for a delicious meal. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by whisking your 6 large eggs with 1/4 cup of milk and a pinch of salt and pepper until well combined. Next, in an oven-safe, 10-inch skillet, sauté your chosen vegetables and protein over medium heat until tender. Once your fillings are ready, pour the egg mixture evenly over them in the skillet. Cook on the stovetop for about 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the edges to set. After the stovetop, it's time for the oven. Carefully transfer your skillet to a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it bake for about 10 to 15 minutes, or until the frittata is fully set and the top is lightly golden brown. Once done, remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for a few minutes. This helps it firm up before you slice and serve your delicious, homemade frittata. The beauty of a frittata is its versatility. Feel free to customize it with different cheeses, like crumbled feta or shredded cheddar, for unique flavors. Fresh herbs such as chives, parsley, or basil can also add a wonderful aroma and taste. Don't forget to check the description below for links to some great deals, including that Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. Enjoy your perfectly personalized frittata, a fantastic meal any time of day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.